Hey everyone, if you're looking to turn your food photo hobby into a profitable venture on FeetFinder, well, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the art of crafting the perfect titles and descriptions for your listings. Stick around to learn how to attract more buyers with just a few tweaks to your uploads. Starting off with is the importance of powerful keywords. Keywords are the secret sauce to boosting your visibility on FeetFinder. It's all about using the right terms that potential buyers are searching for, whether it's silky soles, high arches, or vibrant toenail art. Incorporating these into your listings can skyrocket your profile to the top of search results. Crafting catchy titles. Your title is your first impression, so make it count. A good title is like a handshake. It introduces and invites. Include clear, descriptive elements and maybe even a pinch of creativity. For instance, sunset glow on high arches can captivate much quicker than just footprint. Remember, it's about standing out in a sea of thumbnails. Descriptive and informative descriptions. Now we move on to descriptions where the real magic happens. This is your chance to tell a story of your feed photos. A great description does more than list what's in the photo. Captures the essence and the emotion behind each shot. For example, you could describe a setting like captured on a serene morning. These serene soles against lush grass will soothe any soul. It's about painting a picture with the words that complement the visual, making it irresistible to potential buyers. Explain the context. Maybe add a fun fact or a little narrative like how the cool morning dew felt between your toes. This approach not only attracts buyers, but also engages them, turning a simple view into a potential purchase. Using tags and category effectively. Don't forget about tags and categories. These are crucial in guiding potential buyers to your picks. Use relevant tags that align with your photo's characteristics and the categories that best fit your content. It's like putting the right address on a map. It leads people exactly to where they need to go. And there you have it, a complete guide to optimizing your FeetFinder listings to attract more views and sales. It's easy to start. Just head over to FeetFinder, get verified, and apply these tips to your listings. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more insider tips on selling feed pics online. See you next time, where we explore more exciting topics.